Namaskar. Welcome to World Eyes.
We welcome you all to our informative series. In today's video, we will be discussing about the most powerful and auspicious seed, Rudraksh. Before going into the video, we request you all to please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video.
To begin with the story of Rudraksh, let us first understand the meaning of the word Rudraksh.
The word Rudraksh has its lingual meaning in two Sanskrit words, Rudra, which means Lord Shiva, and Aksha means teardrops from the eyes. Thus, combined to be known as teardrops from the eyes of Lord Shiva. The story of Rudraksh is written on two different Purans, such as the Shiv Puran and the Bhagavad Puran.
According to the Shiv Puran, Lord Shiva once went into deep meditation for the well being of all living creatures. When he woke up and opened his eyes after more than 1000 years of meditation, suddenly teardrops fell on the earth from his eyes. These teardrops took the form of seeds that later on became the Rudraksh tree. Rudraksh therefore means the tear of Lord Shiva.
According to Devi Bhagavad Puran, there was a demon known as Tripurasur who was very strong and had divine energy and power. Due to these qualities, he became proud and started to trouble the deities and the sages. No one was able to defeat this strong demon in war. On seeing his immoral actions, Brahma, Vishnu, and other deities prayed to the Devadidev Mahadev Shiva to destroy evil Tripurasur. Lord Shiva closed his eyes and meditated for some time. When he opened his lotus shaped eyes, tears fell from them on the earth. Wherever his tear fell, the Rudraksh tree grew. The fruits that grow on this tree are known as Rudraksh beads. Lord Shiva then used his deadly divine weapon known as Aghor and destroyed Tripurasur. Rudraksh is a rare gift of nature to mankind in the sense that most beads come with a natural hole drilled in the center. The Rudraksh tree is a large, evergreen, broad-leaved tree which grows in the areas from common plain to the foothill of the Himalayas. Geographically, it is found growing naturally and abundantly in tropical and subtropical areas, especially in Indonesia, Nepal, India, and some other countries. Rudraksh beads are also called blueberry beads since they are the seeds of Rudraksh fruits that grow in the Rudraksh trees, and its beads are protected by an outer shell of blue color on fully ripening.
Rudraksh beads are considered very auspicious as Lord Shiva is always portrayed wearing rosaries of Rudraksh beads on his head, arms, and hands. With this came the religious and spiritual significance of Rudraksh. It is believed that the seed of Rudraksh contains the secret of the entire evolution of the cosmos within it. Rudraksh is often believed to symbolize the link between earth and heaven, between man and God. Hence, Rudraksh is the object of veneration and also a source to reach the higher self. Rudraksh beads create a cocoon of our own energy.
As per the Vedic scriptures, Rudraksh beads possess mystical and divine properties and can nullify the effects of malefic planets to a great extent. They offer protection to the wearer. Rudraksh beads are aesthetically perceived to be the most effective in practice of Japa Yoga.
Rudraksh has many scientific importance and holds a lot of significance in Ayurvedic medicine. It stabilizes our blood pressure, calms our nerves, and brings a certain calmness and alertness in our nervous system.
Rudraksh, when soaked in a glass of water overnight and if drunk in early morning, helps in reducing the stomach disorders. Dipping Rudraksh in any vegetable oil for 21 days and applying it on aching joints, the pain of the joints gets relieved instantly. Rudraksh beads have several amazing powers due to their electromagnetic character. This electromagnetic character empowers the beads to cure the human body medically as well as spiritually.
Rudraksh are said to have the properties of Panchdhatu, that is, five elements, which, when energized by cosmic rays and transmitted into human body, results into good health and peace in life. Rudraksh helps in removing the blood impurities and strengthens the body substance. It removes the bacteria inside as well as outside the human body. Rudraksh removes headache, cough, paralysis, blood pressure, heart diseases, and maternity problems.
The unique properties and divine powers of Rudraksh have been described in the authentic Shastras like the Rudraksha Jabala Upanishad, Padma Purana, Shiv Purana, Devi Purana, and Bhagavad Purana.
Rudraksh comes with various faces, also known as mukhis, ranging from 1 to 21, out of which 1 to 14 faces are usually found. The base of the Rudraksh contains 30.53% of oxygen.
The term Rudraksh itself symbolizes Lord Shiva. Individuals from every walk of life, irrespective of caste, creed, nationality, religion, or gender, can use Rudraksh to gain maximum spiritual, physical, and materialistic benefits. Thus, Rudraksh is a God's gift to mankind and is a bridge between man and God.
Thank you for watching.
Let us know in the comment section below, did you like watching our video? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you.